Located within the dense urban streets of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, Villa Tan Dinh by MIA Design Studio was designed as a calm retreat hidden inside the energy of the city. Completed in 2020, the 538-square-meter home was created for a female homeowner who wanted a peaceful living environment while still staying connected to the atmosphere of Saigon. Instead of isolating the house from its surroundings, the architects designed it as a small green sanctuary woven into the urban landscape. From the outside, the house appears simple and restrained. A concrete structure is wrapped with a steel mesh layer that filters sunlight, airflow, and privacy. This outer skin softens the transition between the busy street and the quiet interior. Rather than completely blocking the city, the design still allows sounds, light, and the rhythm of the neighborhood to naturally enter the home. The spatial layout feels more like a journey through a tropical garden than a conventional house. Instead of enclosed rooms connected by long corridors, the home is organized through open pathways, courtyards, water features, and greenery. As residents move through the spaces, they experience shifting light, natural ventilation, and changing views that make the house feel constantly alive. Natural airflow and openness play an important role throughout the design. Large sliding glass doors allow interior and exterior spaces to merge almost seamlessly. Multiple courtyards and vertical voids bring daylight deep into the home, creating soft layers of shadow across the exposed concrete surfaces while helping the house remain naturally cool in the tropical climate. Greenery becomes one of the main architectural elements inside Villa Tan Dinh. Trees and tropical plants are placed directly between living spaces, softening the raw materials and adding a sense of calm throughout the home. In many areas, the gardens become the visual focus, making the atmosphere feel peaceful despite the dense urban surroundings outside. material palette remains raw and minimal. Exposed concrete, stone textures, steel details, and natural finishes dominate the interiors. Rather than creating a luxurious appearance, these materials were chosen to emphasize simplicity, honesty, and comfort. Combined with filtered sunlight and moving air, the spaces feel grounded, cool, and relaxing. The house also maintains a strong connection with its cultural surroundings. Located near the historic Tan Dinh area of Saigon, the home still embraces sounds and activity from the neighborhood. Church bells, distant street noise, and everyday life from nearby alleyways subtly enter the living spaces, helping the residents remain connected to the character of the city. Although the exterior feels minimal, the interior reveals a layered composition of terraces, voids, bridges, and double-height spaces. Each area remains visually connected while still offering moments of privacy. This balance between openness and intimacy creates a home that feels spacious without losing its sense of comfort and warmth. Villa Tan Dinh shows how a modern urban home can focus not only on space, but also on atmosphere and emotional comfort. Through natural light, ventilation, greenery, and carefully arranged spaces, the project creates a quieter way of living within the middle of a crowded city. The result is a contemporary home that still feels deeply connected to the climate and everyday life of Saigon.